Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zandi if you're new here, and this is Purple Strings. As per the title, today I'll be taking you through some tips and tricks of how to look expensive, put together, chic, say it with me, all the way together during the spring summer season. If this is what you're interested in, please do carry on watching. First up, I'd like to say, this is under the category of makeup. And generally in the summertime, it gets really hot. Spring, summertime, it gets really hot, and really like makeup is not the best option. So one of the things that you must take the time out to get groomed. Well, let me just say it. Your brows, babes, get your brows together. Your brows make you look together. Like if you just have your brows filled in, maybe do a strip lash or individual lashes, and some nude lipstick or some gloss, you look all the way together. So get them threaded, get them waxed, whatever you need to do, and then just fill them in. If they're light, like I have really light brows, so I get mine threaded and then I fill them in the shape that they kind of threaded them in, and it's the first thing people see. Like, when someone just comes up to you and is like, your brows are so nice. You deserve that. You know what I mean? So get your brows all the way together, babes. Like, if we're not putting on makeup, let there just be togetherness on your face. You've got this. Come on. It's painful, but it's pain like once every 2 weeks or 3 weeks, and it's done, okay? And there are plenty of YouTube video. I'll link my YouTube video up here of my brow routine and how I fill in my brows and get them looking all the way together. You've got this. It's time to have good brows. You deserve it. Okay. Next up is, I kind of like kept the whole grooming just as the first couple of points. So here I'm talking about nails and hair. Like the brows, the hair is one of the first things people see. So get yourself something neat. I find like if you're not really a wig person, getting some braids, is really nice. Or just like a sleek back ponytail. I absolutely love that for the spring summer season. It just brightens your face, opens it up, bring out the forehead gang. It's our time to play. You know what I mean? I also love doing braids year through, but like for the summertime I really love it. It's just easy, up and go. They do last quite a bit, but obviously watch out for the hairline, the pulling and all of that, but and don't keep them in for too long. Refresh them as well. Keep them neat and tidy, and you can have it up or down depending what the look of your outfit is giving, and I just love that. And then when it comes to nails, keep it classy. Keep it classy. We're now moving into the shorter nails, the more neutral colors, so like a French tip kind of set, or just like a nude or white. All white gives off rich. All white gives off rich. You're gonna be careful with them. I just absolutely love them. And when it comes to your toes, it's time to get your toes done. Like I said, in the must-have sandals for the spring summer season, it's time to get your toes done, because they're out here to play, and they need to look nice. You know what I mean? They need to look like you're the girl who's got it all the way together. So get your hands and your toes done. You also just deserve it. I know money is tight, so if you're doing it yourself at home, definitely get everything that you need, but get them looking really nice. And I'm also finding that with color, generally for the spring summer season, people feel more drawn to like bright colors for their hands and their feet, which is not a bad thing, but I just feel like for the expensive look, a French set, some nude or white is definitely your way to go. So get the nails done, get the hair done, babes, and we're getting there. One of the most important things, I feel like all of these points are important, but this one is definitely important: hygiene and fragrance. So get in that shower or bath, take your time, get into the corners, all of them, and just take your time. It gets hot, so if you're the kind of person who sweats or anything like that, definitely want to just take more care now in the spring summer season, with just smelling good and just feeling fresh. And then fragrance, I've posted a fragrance video for you guys for the spring summer season. Check it out. It is a definite must watch. And guys, smelling good is your birthright. It's in the Constitution, I'm pretty sure. You need to smell good. They need to smell you even after you've left the room. Don't forget. I've told you many times. So definitely invest in a fragrance for the spring summer season. Just something that can be your signature fragrance, something that you really love and gravitate towards. And good, they must see you, and then now they must smell you. Okay? Yes, go. We're about them smelling us here, okay? We're about leaving lingering scents, right? Yes, that is us. So next up is clothing. Your outfit, how does it look? What are you wearing? What are you putting together? Firstly, wearing white is a definite must do for this spring summer season. And just white makes you look expensive. White makes you look like you love yourself, because you're going to try to keep that outfit clean. You know, I've shown you some tips on how to wear white in the spring summer season. So it doesn't have to be a full white outfit. It can just be touches of white, a white shirt, white linen shirt, linen pants, that kind of vibe. Speaking of linen, also moving into like your more flowy, neutral outfits. So like, you know, tight clothing in the summertime is just so suffocating. It's hot, so it's really time for like the long maxi dresses, some flowy like sets, you know, like a linen set like with the shirt, some linen pants, that kind of vibe, and just giving off, you know, like you live on an island somewhere, like you're gonna be on a yacht the whole day. That's the vibe that, you know, we're going for. So like just going into the more neutral kind of vibe with your closet, and the lounge chic, you know, I've told you guys, my style is moving into your more lounge chic kind of vibe, and I absolutely love it. I love the comfort. It allows that whenever we do have some wind and it is boiling hot, your outfit is just breathing. You know, it's breathing, it's moving, it's got movement. You're gonna exude richness. So be careful now. Be careful, but you deserve it. You know what I mean? It's the vibe you're going for. Let's not shy away from color. Like color, this is definitely the season for color. You know that like very bright Bottega green is in, the pinks are in, the coral oranges are in. So a definite must add to your closet. But now, how about we do it in a more monochromatic look? You know this. Monochromatic makes you look expensive. It makes you look like you took the time out to put your outfit together, to make sure the colors match to a certain degree. Like you look like there's thought behind your outfit. Do you know what I mean? Like there's tanda. Like you take time when it comes to you. You know what I mean? So that is the vibe that monochromatic gives. Also neutral is more the calmer kind of vibe. And like, it's time to give off our melanin, you know, time to just accept and exude our sexiness, our femininity, and just our all-around awesomeness to be a woman. You know what I mean? So summer really allows that. It's more relaxed, it's more free. People are happier during the spring summertime because of the warm weather, the clear skies. So let your outfit do the talking as well. You know, we're all about this togetherness, right? So the brows are there, the hair's there, the nails are there, and now the outfit is speaking. Okay, it's saying a lot without doing too much. Keeping with the outfits, this is a big don't even think about it. Don't even, no, just don't, okay? And that is showing your navel. Especially if you're over 30, I just like 30 and over, just showing your navel, even like late 20s, you know, showing your navel is just tacky. Like, let's just leave it to the youngins. Their body still allows. Like, it's just no, unless you're like in a bikini on a beach. That's the only place it's allowed. But anywhere else, showing your navel is a no. But by no means am I saying you cannot wear a crop top. I am a crop top champion. I am a crop top advocate. I am a crop top ambassador. You are allowed to wear crop top any age. If it's what you're feeling to wear it, babes. It's got no age limit. It's about your vibe and what you're feeling. But when you wear a crop top, no navel. We're just showing a little bit of midriff. That's it. That's all. It's giving classy. It's giving sexy. It's giving elegance. The minute it's low and we're seeing navel, it's giving tacky. We're not doing that. We're grown. Okay, we're just absolutely not doing it. Like again, I emphasize, the only place we're allowed to see your navel is on a beach, at the pool. Anywhere else, no. Leave it to the 2000s. Okay, it's late for us. Okay, so no. It gives off tacky. It's not becoming. It's not. And we are here to look all the way together. So just bring those pants up, and high waist pants, you already know how I feel about them. They are quintessential element in your closet that should be there. Okay, it's giving off, if you're short especially, heightens you, gives you an illusion of a torso, and then if you show some skin, even better. Okay, so no navel showing, please don't let me catch you on the streets with the navel showing. Okay, last on my list is confidence. I say this to all my clients, people I shop for a living, people I help to find their own style. Confidence is key. You do not want the clothes wearing you. You want to wear the clothes. You want to own the moment. You want the outfit to do the talking with you, not saying a single word. Confidence. And babes, I know confidence isn't there every single day, but you will fake it till you make it. Okay, they must never see you down, never see a lash out of place. No. Okay, confidence is absolute key. You can buy all the clothes in the world, you can buy all the fragrances, you can do whatever, babes, but if you don't feel good in the inside, if you're not pouring in your cup, making sure that you only give the overflow, and if there's no overflow, there is nothing to give, then there is no point to any of the content or any of the videos that I make if confidence is not the key driver of who you are, who you're becoming, and who you're planning on becoming. Okay, that's the same thing, Zans, but you know what I'm trying to say, right? So fake it till you make it. When you walk into a room, don't be like on your phone. Look up, chin up, look around, walk into a room be poised. Your posture must be like straight, no slouching and just like trying to hide. No, babes, no. We're doing all of this so we're together. It's all about the togetherness. So confidence plays a huge role, right? If you don't feel good on the inside, the clothes are going to do nothing for you. The clothes are nothing but a cherry on top. Okay, so you've got this, build, read the books, go to the gym, do the therapy, do whatever you need to do to get that confidence level to where you would like it to be. Okay, and be inspired by other people. But I'm telling you, 9 out of 10, those people that you look at and you're like, you're always so confident, faking it, like wearing something that you were like, oh, I'd never think to wear that, taking a chance on themselves. Okay, so like do the same for you. You pour in everybody else's cup, you give so much of yourself to everybody else but yourself. This is now the time for you. It's a time for you. It's time for you to love yourself in such a way that you actually teach people how to love you. Just by the way you carry yourself, the things that you do for yourself. Like I want like anything for you, baby girl kind of vibes. Those are the thoughts you need to have in your mind. You want it? Anything for you, babes? Okay, you want to stay home? Anything for you. You want to take yourself out for some sushi and wine? Anything for you. Anything for you. Okay, so build that confidence. Do whatever it takes to just feel good and feel great inside. That smile must be genuine. And some days, yes, you'll have to fake it, but on the other days, and I'm hoping those are the most of the days, that smile is genuine. You're just so great and you feel amazing inside. Then the clothes are a perfect fit, the makeup, the hair, everything else that you're going to be doing to invest in yourself works seamlessly. It's like a moving train. Okay, so let's work on that confidence. And those are my tips for looking expensive for the spring summer season. Not necessarily items that you need to be putting money in most of the time, but like sometimes it's already things that you have in your closet. We're going for I didn't try too hard this season. You know, like you wake up and it's easy, right? But create that vibe around you. Let your aura radiant, let it shine. Step into the fullness of you. I wish you nothing but success, happiness, pure joy, and God's best only. Okay, so if you loved this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section down below if there's any other tips you feel like I've left out, and which one was your favorite, which one resonated with you. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Don't forget to like, a comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.